In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off messages on your Facebook business page. If you're getting more inbox messages than you can handle, or you'd prefer customers use email, a contact form, or phone instead, Facebook gives you a simple switch to stop new messages from coming in. Here's how to make that change clearly and confidently. First, open your Facebook business page and go to Settings. You'll need the appropriate page access, such as admin or full control, to make this adjustment. The settings area is where Facebook groups all of your page preferences and privacy tools, and it's the right place to control how people reach you. Once you're in settings, look for the section called How People Find and Contact You. This area determines what contact methods are available to the public and how your page can be discovered. Opening it will show options related to visibility and communication preferences. Inside that section, locate the messaging category. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Allow People to Message Your Page. Switch that toggle off. This tells Facebook to disable direct messaging for your page. In most cases, the change takes effect immediately without any extra confirmation. If you see a prompt to save, simply confirm the change and you're done. From this point on, visitors will no longer see the message button on your page, which prevents them from starting new conversations with you through Facebook Messenger. This helps reduce noise in your inbox and can streamline your customer support workflow by directing people to the channels you prefer. A few useful notes so you know exactly what to expect. Turning off messaging only affects new inbound messages. It doesn't delete your existing conversation history. You can still access past threads in your inbox. It also doesn't impact post comments, reviews, or other public interactions on your page. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same setting and turn the toggle back on at any time. Depending on Facebook's interface updates, wording and placement can vary slightly, but the option will still be under your page's settings in the area that controls how people contact you. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're adjusting the correct one before you switch the toggle. That's it. By turning off the Allow People to Message Your Page option, you've successfully removed the message button for visitors and stopped new messages from coming in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your page communication more efficiently.